How are you? I hope all of you are actually fine. So, my name is Nishit Tripathi, practicing advocate in Allahabad High Court. I want to share something with all of you that the incident what actually happen on the road every time means there are two bunch of group which fights with each other and try to just hurt, and both the groups are actually drunk and don't know what to do. Even it is not clear that who instigate that fight. In that situation, what happened, and maybe what will be the actually legal consequences of this situation is really different. You cannot understand that a simple fight on the road could be turned into a planned attempting murder case. So you should be careful about it. Whenever you just get the fight with another person, or maybe the two groups fights with another two groups fight with each other, in that situation, whenever you hurt, first you go to the police. And if you cannot go to the police, or if you don't want to go to the police, at least you call 112. That is actually the proof that you have just registered your complaint. It is in the form of digital form, or maybe it is in the form of written form if it is just applicable in the police station. The problem is that we don't think that it is important. We always want to handle these all the things with by our hands. We want to take the law in our hand in the same way. When one person is asked that to go and file your FIR against that group or against that person that you have been hurt, or maybe you got grievous injury because of that fight, because of those persons, even in that situation, the victim group don't go to the police station, and they want to tackle the situation by themselves. It is really not a good condition. It is not actually the way you are going to tackle this. You just fight with another person fight with you. It increase the consequences. Maybe after some days they will again in this situation, what happened actually, whenever you just got the, or maybe the persons of your side got the injury, you go to the police station and just try to register your FIR. If that is not being registered there, so at least you can just call the 112 as I told you before, because this is the proof that you have tried to register your complaint. And in this way you always have an upper hand to your another party. Whenever the case is start, or maybe the proceeding is going on in the high court, or maybe in the lower court also, so in this situation, when you just file your FIR first or prior to the another party, in that case you get advantage. You get advantage that you are the real victim here. Maybe you just also fight with the equal share of participation. Even in that situation, the filing of FIR prior to another person is like an advantage. So you have to just take that kind of advantage. Don't hesitate in these processes. If you think that the other party maybe or might be not go to the police station, or maybe that is not going to file the FIR, or maybe not going to dial 112 and register his complaint, and you are in uncertain situation, and you think that maybe let it be, go these all the things usual way, but it is not actually the prudent thought. You have to just file your FIR first or prior to that person. It is really a good work for defend yourself and making your ground strong. Okay, I think this video is helpful for you. And one thing I actually just want to mention here, you also have to, if you got injury at your body, you have to register your medical legal certificate, because this medical legal certificate shows that you have got the injury on your body, and this is the proof for you in your case. So I think this video is helpful for you. Okay, bye till then, all of you, take care.